What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life. Today it is my day off. I'm not doing any nails, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my kids out, enjoy a good time with them. We're gonna go where, guys?
John's Incredible Pizza.
And what is John's Incredible Pizza?
It's this
All you can eat pizza, and it has arcade, all the fun gaming for kids. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Stay tuned and watch us have fun today, guys. Thank you very much. All right, we are almost here, y'all.
I see it. I see it.
Who's excited?
But when I go outside, I will need my sunglasses.
Girl.
And I saw
There we are. We're turning into
John's Incredible Pizza. And if we're hungry after we leave, we can go to Wendy's.
No, if we're hungry, we can always come back and eat because it's an all-you-can-eat place, and that's the place right here, y'all. We about to get it.
John's Incredible Pizza. And this is like the best place in the world.
Excited?
Yes.
Who's excited?
Everybody loves it.
Hey, how you Carter, come here.
I love it.
You guys excited? Tell me, how excited are you?
I'm super excited.
How about you? How excited are you?
I'm excited.
You excited?
I'll tell you why I'm wearing glasses, because the sun is getting in my eye.
Okay.
That means I'm gonna take the sun.
Do you just eat the sun? How about you?
Yeah, we're not SpaceX and.
Yeah, we're just talking about penguins. That's
No. The ears will be. I have a better idea.
Are you guys ready to go to? Have you guys been here, right?
Yeah.
Who you guys come with?
This is the best place in the world.
This is your favorite time?
This is my first time.
Fifth time. All right. Go. I'm glad we came around this time before a crazy lunch gets.
Yeah, good call.
Go for it. Go for it, Peter. All right, so we have to wait in line. Hello. Card. Separate. Yep.
The first transaction, you're going to pay card? Okay, so right here. You're going to start right here.
And you guys stand with me.
And then are you paying cash or card?
Card.
Card as well? You can start right over there.
You got it. Okay, this kiosk does not accept cash. Got it.
Right over here.
Sign up free. Sign up for free membership starting earning today. Skip.
Skip.
Okay, summer fun pass. Skip. Okay, do you have any other off? Nope. Alright, so. Jeez, that's some expensive stuff right here. Okay, so we got one of that. And we got 1, 2 of that. And 1 of that. Okay, 100. We got this credit. Let's do the $25 credit with 2 eyes. Wait. When you want tickets for the game, you should put maybe ticket for E. Just do that. And then credit card for checkout. Want any incredible extras? Nope. Hey now, let's leave a tip. No thanks. And payment. You want any lettuce, salad? Carter, don't do that. Get up. What do you guys want? I got it. I'll hold it for Carter.
Everyone put the plate on top of there.
Okay, what do you guys want to eat first? You want pizza? Let's go. Follow me. Carter, you want cheese or pepperoni? Huh? Read it. They have description on it. Okay, come here, Carter. Here, cheese pizza. Huh? You want mac and cheese? That's yours, Carter. Carter, come here. Mac and cheese? Let me get it for you.
I'll eat one pizza.
What is this? Okay, don't spill it. Carter, follow me. Kaylin, let's go. We'll get you a fork, okay? Follow me, guys. Sit down. Go ahead, sit down, guys. Right there. Colin, sit down, son. Huh? Okay. Go sit down and watch for brother, okay? I'm gonna get my food. Let me see. What they got here? Let me see. All the vegetables, all the seasoning, breadsticks. Looks like soup, potatoes, chips and nachos. We got some fried chicken, potato, more breadsticks, mashed potatoes. They got rice and salad. Nope, that's rice and vegetables, mac and cheese, spaghetti. And here's their pizza section. They got all kind of pizzas so far, and you can actually order them as you want. It's an all you can eat. Look at that. Ooh, that's my favorite one right there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some food, y'all. Add some pepper flake.
This one doesn't hurt as much. Yeah, that one has worse. No, this one.
Blue cheese.
Sarah got a tried that. She felt like she still would like this last year. No, it hurt. Trust me. I think Sarah does. I can't put it back in.
Thanks for joining us. Thanks for the invite. Man. I'm gonna go like in a week, man. That's what you go. All this like it's good. You want them? Em xin pizza. Em đi bạc. Với chị yêu, dạ, của em rồi. Em muốn rồi. Còn mà không rồi, thì anh chỉ đâm lên thì cho đâu, nó lên thì luôn nhẹ. Còn đâu lên thì nó từ rất lâu, có thể lên được. Mà cái đường học, cái đường nào nè, sau cái đường học rồi. Dạ, that's a lot of my mother, she does the order family. How? No? Yeah, just like it's supposed to go. Wait, are you guys full though?
Yes.
How full are you?
Super. If you go on the video right after you eat, then you'll probably get sick.
How's the food? The food is good.
I almost threw up earlier.
Why?
I have no idea why.
Okay, go put your ice cream down if you're done. Okay, are you guys ready?
No, never mind.
Here. Wait, you have to wait. Okay, let me see you do it. You didn't even hit anything. What was that? Okay, wait. Okay, go. Go. No, you missed.
Oh! You got the lock.
Seeing it?
Yeah. Oh!
Hi, Colin. Okay, you ready? Woo! Colin, the paddle. Don't put the seatbelt on. Woo! Go. I help you. Wait, I help you. Get nitro. Get the nitro. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Press the nitro. Yeah. Yeah, press it again. Yeah. Harder than you farted. Step on here. No, step on it. Yeah, there we go.
Daddy, look how much tickets I got.
Here, you hold it.
Daddy, look how much.
You guys want to go on the rise?
Daddy, there's a certain ride that we want to go on.
What ride?
Daddy, look.
I see it.
It's called a
Let me see you got. Let me see what you got. Wow.
I got it.
Drive, Carter, drive. Good job. Oh, wow. You guys can't go on that one. That one's broken. Here, go on this one. Here, you get in the truck then.
Wait, can I try it?
Or did you want to go and ride with him?
He can handle it. You got it? You guys can be in the second one. Go sit
You
in
guys
the
can be
second one. Kaylin, go sit in the second one. Okay, sit back here, Hazel, so it's easier. So you guys don't. You got it, Carter? You got it? Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Carter. Bye, Carter. Bye, Carter. Carter's driving a truck.
Daddy. Daddy, can you like next one?
Good job. Kaylin, I see you, Kaylin. Woo! I see you, Colin. Colin, I see you. No, you're not. Go ahead, you can turn, Colin. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Colin's turning. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! What's wrong, Colin? What's wrong? Oh no, what happened? You fainted! No! This is not scary at all, huh?
Oh, I didn't even scream that.
Okay, put it on.
I'm scared.
You're not scared.
Yes, I was. I was told this was a race.
Alright, what's up, red? Frisbee? Anything else? What do you guys want? Go ahead.
Give him a green one. He likes green. $400? You guys have 400 left.
Save it for next time. Or
Yeah, save for next time. Want to save for next time?
do you understand
Just hold on to that.
Okay.
All right, let's go this way, guys. All right, guys, so we just finished with John's Incredible Pizza. It was fun. The arcade was nice. We went on a couple rides. The food was great. We ate a lot. The kids are tired. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home and take a nap. Are you guys full?
Yes.
Do you guys have fun?
Daddy?
What ride do you guys go on?
The Twister. And Bumper Cars.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on my next nails tutorial and some family fun time. Have a good day.